on our way to Glacier National Park. Lots and lots of fir trees along the route. Entering Glacier National Park on the way to the world famous Going to the Sun Road, the second most beautiful road in the world. Wow! Can you believe it? Waterfalls all along the way. The fantastic Going to the Sun Road. Look at that. Through the mist on the Going to the Sun Road and approaching a tunnel. Oh my goodness, look at the mist and the clouds. We are driving through the clouds. Look at the myriad waterfalls all around among the beautiful greenery. No wonder it is called the second most beautiful road in the world, and you can drive alongside, even drive across some of the waterfalls. Wow! The gorge is hidden in the clouds. Bird Woman Falls on the Going to the Sun Road. The mountains lost in the clouds and the beautiful small waterfalls coming down. Look at the glacier, and of course we are at Glacier National Park. A glacier which has been cut open by the force of the waterfall coming from above. Wow! On the Hidden Lake Trail, climbed up from Logan Pass, and it's a nice hike. You have beautiful glaciers behind and mountains full of wildflowers. And today, the Hidden Lake is really playing with us. Staying hidden, and you can only get glimpses of it. Need to climb higher up. Mountain goats grazing at Logan Pass. How nice! They're right down on the road. A mom and babies. All along,
Waterfalls.
Gorgeous views and snow that was left over from earlier. Wow! Double waterfall streams coming down the mountains on the Going to Sun Road. All along. What gorgeous views and snow that was left over from earlier. Wow! Beautiful.